Hi, I'm Chuck Dorsett for Weaver Leathercraft. One of the tools we rarely hear about or talk about is an oval punch or an oval drive punch. Now, we don't want to confuse this with an oblong because that's going to allow our buckle bar or prong to slip through the strap. No, but equally important, the other end of the belt. Now, with a lighter weight belt or strap, a round hole is no issue. But we've seen belts where the leather is very heavy. Well, it's actually going to bow as it goes through the buckle because we have a round hole in there. An oval will absolutely cure that problem. But also, too, when we bump up to harness and bridle leathers, it's an absolute necessity. It's going to allow that strap to sit comfortably in the buckle, but at the same time, it's going to make it a little easier on us to actually buckle that belt or strap. Our Master Tools oval drive punches come in 5 tube sizes, 3/16 of an inch for the smaller straps and belts, and 3/8 of an inch on the larger end for heavier harness and bridle. The indention in the tool makes this very comfortable to hold, but at the same time, solid feel. This feels like a well-made tool. Now, one thing, I've always had trouble with a round tool lining up my oval, but with this indention, all I have to do is square that to the edge of my strap, and I'm going to get a perfect oval each and every time. Clean and consistent holes every time. Not only is this tool helpful, but it is built to last.